Is it recording? Okay. Hi, you guys. I hope you can hear me okay. It's probably loud, it's probably not, who knows. But hi, you guys. I just want to say thank you all for those who have emailed me. I am doing just fine. This month I did not finish the rest of the zodiac signs because Hurricane Irma decided to bring her raggedy ass over here and fuck shit up. But yeah, everything is okay. I'm doing fine. Everyone else, I believe, is doing fine. But for the month of October, I will be getting those readings out once again. I apologize, and plus the energy leading up to Hurricane Irma was just all kinds of fucked up. Like, really. I don't know what was going on. Like, I don't feel like doing anything. But I'm all better now. Praise God. Oh, look at that airplane. That's a little bit too low. That's scary. But yeah. Thank you guys who were concerned, asked me if everything is okay. Everything is fine. I am back to regular scheduled programming, and I have been getting out my personal readings to those who have emailed me for personal readings. So yeah, that's about done. So I will be getting the readings out to you for the month of October. Just wanted to give a quick update, and I greatly appreciate you guys. Gosh, here we go with that. I greatly appreciate you guys. See you later.